Okay, there's my girl. She's been following me all morning. I have gotten back out in the yard, although you can't really tell, can you? Not really, but I am. I've gotten back out. Maybe over here you can tell. Hey, Sugar Bump. Let's see. Let me see. I did this. I had a second wind. These are my yacons, and they have got tubers. I'm tickled. I'm kind of rethinking maybe I shouldn't have put my comfrey in here. It's too close to that tree because I saw some white mold or something gathering. But look at this. We won't talk about that. Look at this. That is just gorgeous. But that's not why I walked over here. I wanted to show... Oh, I don't have my gloves. But that's okay. Let me... Don't have any pockets. Oh, well. I'm going to show you something I found. I noticed these little babies. See, these are just... see, they're disguised over here with my female asparagus. And look. These are from my indeterminate tomatoes. And look at all those tomatoes. And even better, and I'm going to do it, I'm going to crawl back in here and get some. Look at this patch of tomatoes, man. It looks like everything can benefit from a little bit of shade. Okay, y'all, I've seen a snake lately, but I do want some of these tomatoes, so I'm risking it with Mother Nature. Oh my gosh, look at all of these. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, let me just, oh my. Oh gosh, I hope there is not a snake in here with me. I don't know if this is getting anything, but let me just pick some. Y'all know how I do stuff. Oops. Oh my goodness, if there's a snake in here, I just shouldn't even think about it. Oh, look at all these. I am risking. Oh my goodness. They're everywhere. No wonder I've got all sorts of wild animals in my yard. No, get my tomato picking. That's what I want. They're just everywhere. Oh my, look at all these. Oh my goodness. These are true blue permaculture tomatoes. They're not going to be the biggest, but I bet they're going to be tasty. I didn't know you wanted to grow back here tomatoes. I thought you liked full sunlight. I guess when you don't get watered, you need a little shade, don't you? Oh, I am tickled. Ugh. Let me use my shirt. They are everywhere. I'm just going to... Well, I should have taken a picture. Malabar Man, his tomatoes have rocked. I smell arugula. I need to save my moringa. It's in there somewhere underneath all those beans. Look at that. Look at my Scoby. I just gave it some sugar. Look at it tearing up the sugar. It was hungry. I had starved my Scoby and I thought I had killed it. It looked like it had some bacteria on it and I took that out. But look, I'm going to see if I've ruined my Scoby. Okay, there you go. It is way past my chemo curfew. I should not be in the sun, but I can't help myself, and I forgot to cut back the comfrey around my fig tree. In fact, I kind of wish I didn't put comfrey around my fig tree. And since my fig tree is getting a little bit too much shade, and probably since you can see the dip, it's like a dip, it probably gets more water than it wants to. And every year a pecan tree tries to grow in there, and I might just let one grow. Anyway, I'm gonna go cut it. This is the before and after with comfrey. And I've been cutting my comfrey this morning. So let me just get my comfrey cut on. Y'all just hang out there. I should not be in the sun. It is 1 o'clock. I should have long been inside. But it is cool. It is the end of September. Finally, it's not as hot. Alrighty. And this is what it looks like after you cut it. I don't know if y'all got anything, but see all that. Oh, could that be a fig in there? Let me see. Did I find a fig? That would just be lovely. Oh. You know, next year, I keep saying that. You're getting too much water over here, I bet. Bet that's the problem. Uh-oh, there's one. Could that be a fig for me? Could it be? Oh gosh, no, it's not ripe. And I hate to think what's gonna happen. Did I see one? Wow, okay, well I don't see one. Man, you're not looking so pretty yourself. Look at that leaf. That doesn't look good either. Are you getting too much water? I bet so. I'm just going inside. So tired. Well, I'm gonna chop my little baby peach tree trying to grow back. I don't want you, remember? You're not permaculture style. Sorry. I hate to do this to you, but I'm not gonna let you grow. You're not allowed. You take too much effort. And then this poor little baby, I can't cut you yet because I hear you'll bleed out. That's my white, what is it? White mulberry. Whew. Talked to my landscaper dude. Think he's gonna come help me get things looking good again because I can't take it. It's too messy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. Let me sit back over here on my snake bench. This is where I found my snake. And I don't know where he is, but anyway. Oh, there's a great breeze. See, you can see things are blowing. And I bet my little sweet potatoes want some water, don't you? And I'm so glad I bought you. You make a great ground cover. I'm going to turn you loose in my food forest next year. You and beans, lady cow peas. Oh, and those are lady cow peas over there. You'll see that later. Let me just stop this thing. Well, I killed my Scoby. Look at this. Look at this. See? Look at the nastiness in there. Oh well, I'll buy another one. And then this one, I thought maybe it was going to be okay. I let my Scoby get mighty thick, and you're not supposed to do that. Let me see. Yeah, this doesn't look like this is going to do well. Every time you brew, it doesn't look like it's going to, it looks like there's some mold happening like right there. So I got to dump everything. Boo-hoo. Anyway, I let my, pew, kind of stinks too, but that's kind of what it smells like. It smells vinegary-ish. But this is my Scoby hotel that I let the Scobies get too thick. Anyway. Hey, Jaja girl, I'm not talking to you. No, I'm not. Look at you, girl, hugging me with your tail. Okay, we're going outside. Bye-bye, Scobies. Bye, Scobies. Yeah, Jaja.